How to make healing potion in Minecraft. So first you will need a glistering melon slice, a nether wart, 3 water bottles, 1 blaze powder, a brewing stand, and a glowstone dust. So first just simply put on the brewing stand in the ground, then just open it up, put your water bottle right here at the bottom, get your blaze powder, put it right there. Now get your nether wart and put it here on the top. And now just simply wait for this to finish. So as you can see, there's an arrow just like glowing just like right there. So just simply wait for it to be done. So after that, as you can see, the water will become this awkward potion right here. Now just simply get your glistering melon slice and put it here on the top and just wait for it to finish brewing again. And after that, we now have our potion of healing. So we could upgrade this potion of healing to potion of healing 2. So it basically just makes it give you more health. So you will need the glowstone dust for it. So just simply put it right here on the top again and wait for it to finish again. Now it's almost done right here. And as you can see, it made it upgrade just like that. And that's how you basically get or make potion of healing in Minecraft.